Gangster Fools back here with another banger video, and today we are doing the last custom video that we have right now until we get some more stuff from Diamond Minis. And we are going to be taking off these screws and putting on the black ones, and we are going to be cleaning the oil screen. Go check out that video after this. So yeah, let's start. Okay, also we're about to take the screws out. What you will need is a 5/16 if you want to clean your oil screen.
Check it out.
Also, we were gonna take off the oil screen and clean it, but we looked in, we took the motor apart and I didn't see anything. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put we'll clean it another time when like my dad's here to help or something. So we're just gonna put the screws on there today. So yeah, let's go. And these screws are taking Allen wrench. So you put the two long ones at the top, so whenever you take these off and go to put some in, just remember how they came out. Here's the other long one. Boom. And there is a lot of screws, so I'm pretty sure you take off like all the bolts. So we're gonna keep doing this. We already have there will probably be 3 extra because we already have 3 screws on there.
Check it out.
Okay, y'all, so we got all the screws tightened. Now we gotta take this off, and then we're gonna change the oil, and I'll get back to y'all. So yeah, so that is it for this video. What we did was put on these screws right here, these black screws. These were already on, and we got these from Diamond Mini, so shout out to them. We put some on right here, and that was some spots, and right here there was some spots that where else we were supposed to put them, like in here behind this we didn't take that off and put them in there, or all the way on the bottom we didn't take them off. And then on this side, I don't think there was supposed to be any on this side. They were all supposed to be on the other side, but since we didn't do them all on the other side, we got some right here, and then some at the bottom right there. And there's some like inside here behind the brake lever we couldn't get to that we didn't do on there. But yeah, so that's probably it for right now until I get the graphics kit for it, and then that'll probably be the build almost, unless I get an exhaust or something. But yeah, so we just got that. It just throws in a little bit more accent. I'll put it down, all the other build videos in the description, and where you could get these parts from. Shout out to Don News. And we'll have more riding videos soon. It's been raining, so the yard's wet. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to 1K. And yeah, peace.